Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I've come up with a very good news. Deloitte, after almost a year, they have announced massive off-campus hiring. So in this video, I'll be sharing one massive pan-India hiring for the 2023 batch, and the other one from Deloitte Hyderabad location. Now that's for the previous batches. Okay, so these two information I'm going to share in this video. So first about the pan-India hiring. Now for this, the last day to apply is 21st of December. Now one good thing about this pan-India hiring is that they have given a clear timeline, and this same page, if you visit on a later date, okay, so they'll be informing us on which stage the hiring process is at which stage, okay, whether they have declared the results or not, all that, okay. So that kind of an update we can get it from this particular page. Okay, now so the role is analyst trainee, right, and the salary is 6 lakhs per annum plus benefits. I'll show you the job description and the requirements and all that. So first, registration has started on started from 15th of December, and the last day to register is 21st December midnight. Okay, and so they'll be doing the shortlisting between 22nd and 23rd, and online assessment will be held between 26th December to 6th of Jan 2023. Okay, and it will be like virtual, and then so it will be like completely virtual, and then online interview that will be held between 16th January to 24th February. Okay, and the final results will be declared 15th of March 2023. Okay, now this is the timeline. So who are eligible to apply? BE BTech graduating in 2023 eligible to apply, right? So branches of cybersecurity, information technology, computer science, software engineering, EEE, ECE, E&I, and other ancillary circuital branches can apply. Okay, so basically this is for CSE, IT, and circuit branches, and so grade CGPA should be like 60% equivalent with no standing arrears. Okay, so there should not be any standing arrears. Okay, and if you have attended a Deloitte process in the last 6 months, okay, in your campus, then in that case you will not be eligible. Okay, and so individuals employed by Deloitte are not eligible. Okay, I think that is not applicable for the 2023 batch. Okay, so salary I said 6 lakhs per annum. The designation is analyst trainee. The location, this is like pan India hiring. They include locations include Hyderabad, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Chennai, Pune, Kolkata, and Bangalore. Okay, so these are the locations, right? So eligibility criteria I have already mentioned. Last date I have mentioned. Okay, and the complete process will be virtual, and so results for each step, you will receive an intimation to the registered, email ID confirming the status of your candidature is what they have mentioned. Okay, they have also given some mail for assistance. Okay, right. Now very important part coming to the test, online assessment process. So it is a 90-minute duration, and so 45 so it has got 2 parts, 45 questions in the multiple choice format and 2 questions in the live programming coding format. Okay, so this is a fully proctored test and all that. Okay, so the test is divided into 4 sections. Okay, and for each section you will get a dedicated time duration, and right, so right, and once you move to the next section you will not be able to come back to the previous section. The 4 sections will present 4 different varieties of questions. Okay, so first you will have the general aptitude. Okay, now this will have 20 questions, right? So the typical aptitude like numbers, time, speed, distance, time and work, such questions. Okay, you will have general aptitude 20 questions, and then English language skills 10 questions you will have, and technical skills 15 questions. So they'll be covering topics like machine learning, cyber security, and cloud computing, and and then you have like coding, you have like 2 programming questions. Okay, so the section will evaluate your logical thinking, problem solving skill, knowledge of programming languages, etc., right? And you'll be able to select the programming language of your choice. Okay, it can be like C, C++, or C sharp, or Java, Python, etc., right? And you'll be able to evaluate your code by using the compile and execute option is what they have mentioned. Okay, and if you code successfully compile, if your code successfully compiles, and then you'll be able to see how many hidden test cases your code managed to pass or fail is what like they have mentioned. Okay, so you have a 90 minutes test. Okay, so this is starting from 26th. Okay, so you'll get a slot through your mail. Okay, so they have given the detailed process, right? And so the eligibility criteria, they have given a separate document. This I have already read out like the key details from here. Okay, right? So you are expected to have moderate programming skills and all that. Okay, so the branches, everything I have already shown. So you can just go through all the relevant links, and you have the registration form. The registration is happening through Hire Pro platform. Okay, so wherein you'll have to give your name, your email address, mobile number, and then your alternate mobile number if needed. Okay, your date of birth, gender, address. Okay, and then your educational details. Okay, your university registration number. Then if you have any gap in education, any standing areas, have you appeared in any of the Deloitte process in the last 6 months, if you have any other offer in hand, are you an Indian citizen? Okay, are you open to internships? Okay, prior experience if any. Okay, if you have already worked with Deloitte, if you have any professional certifications, additional certifications, your photo, your resume, right? Resume is mandatory, your photo is also mandatory, and then you have to upload a valid government ID card. Okay, so this is the how to apply part as far as this particular Deloitte hiring is concerned. Okay, so that's for the 2023 batch. If you have any questions regarding that, please post your questions in the comment section below. And for the earlier batches, as I said in the beginning, they're hiring analyst Salesforce. Okay, for their Hyderabad location, right? Now if you have exposure towards Salesforce, okay, so if you have a hands-on experience at least in the Trailhead platform and all that, okay, you can go ahead and apply for this. Okay, now so they're asking for 0 to 2 years of experience in Salesforce development experience. Okay, so this is a Salesforce developer role. Okay, if you have a relevant at least a hands-on experience in the Trailhead platform, right? If you have experience in development using Apex programming, Visualforce, Lightning components, flows, etc., if you have exposure towards this, you can apply for this. Okay, but you should be from CSE, IT, or relevant background. But though they are saying CSE, IT, let's say you have this knowledge of Apex or Visualforce and all that, that is the Salesforce coding exposure. If you have, then I guess you can, if you have these skills, you can definitely go ahead and apply, even if you don't have the real-time experience. Even just if you have some hands-on exposure towards Salesforce development, okay, Salesforce programming, I think you can go ahead and apply for this. Okay, and so this is also another very good opportunity, but this they are expecting certain Salesforce development skills. Okay, they are expecting here. Okay, so both the apply links are provided in the description below. I hope this video was useful to you. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends who may need it. And if you have any queries, please do post your questions in the comment section below. And if you are not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.